Homeowners in Anthem take pride in their homes, from beautiful desert views to stylish architecture that blends comfort with southwestern charm. But over time, even the most well-built houses face wear and tear, and one feature that often gets overlooked is the windows. If your windows are outdated, drafty, or showing visible signs of damage, postponing their replacement might seem like a way to save money, but in reality, it often costs more in the long run. The hidden costs of delaying window replacement can affect everything from your energy bills to your home's value, comfort, and even safety. Here's a closer look at why replacing your windows sooner rather than later is a smart investment for Anthem homeowners. Rising energy bills. Anthem's desert climate means your windows are constantly exposed to intense sunlight and high temperatures for much of the year. Older or poorly sealed windows can't effectively keep the heat out or maintain cool air inside. As a result, your HVAC system has to work harder to regulate indoor temperatures, leading to higher energy bills month after month. Small air leaks or worn-out seals might seem minor, but they can lead to significant energy waste. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, windows are responsible for up to 30% of residential heating and cooling energy use. By delaying window replacement, you're not just tolerating inefficiency, you're paying for it. Installing energy-efficient windows with low E coatings and insulated glass can dramatically lower your utility costs while keeping your home cooler and more comfortable through Anthem's hot summers. Structural damage from leaks and moisture. Although Anthem's climate is dry for much of the year, seasonal monsoon rains and occasional storms can quickly reveal problems with aging windows. Cracked seals, warped frames, or damaged caulking allow water to seep into the walls around your windows. Over time, that moisture can lead to wood rot, mold growth, and structural deterioration, which are expensive to repair. What might have been a simple window replacement project can turn into a full-blown wall restoration if ignored for too long. Modern windows are designed with advanced weatherproofing and drainage systems that protect your home from water intrusion, preventing costly structural damage and maintaining your home's integrity for years to come. Decreased home comfort and air quality. Outdated windows often contribute to uneven indoor temperatures, drafts, and poor insulation. During Anthem's scorching summer days, rooms near old windows can feel noticeably warmer, while those farther away remain cool. Even worse, gaps in window seals can let in dust and outdoor allergens, a common concern in the desert environment. Over time, this reduces indoor air quality and can make allergies or respiratory issues worse. Replacing your windows improves both comfort and air quality. New installations ensure a tighter seal, better insulation, and smoother operation, helping you maintain consistent indoor comfort throughout every season. Reduced curb appeal and home value. Windows play a major role in your home's appearance, both inside and out. Faded, cracked, or foggy windows make even the most beautiful Anthem home look dated and neglected. If you plan to sell your property in the near future, buyers will notice these flaws, and may use them as leverage to negotiate a lower price. On the other hand, modern, energy-efficient windows instantly enhance curb appeal and boost property value. According to national remodeling studies, homeowners can recoup up to 70 to 80% of the cost of window replacement when selling their homes. That makes it one of the most cost-effective upgrades you can make. Compromised safety and security. Old or damaged windows can also pose safety and security risks. Weak frames, worn locks, or cracked glass make it easier for intruders to gain access and harder for your windows to withstand strong winds or impact. New windows come with reinforced frames, advanced locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant glass that provide superior protection, essential in a region where high winds and dust storms are not uncommon. The cost of waiting adds up. When you add up higher utility bills, potential repair costs, reduced comfort, and lower home value, the price of delaying window replacement far exceeds the cost of acting now. Replacing your old windows with professionally installed, energy-efficient options helps you save money immediately while preventing bigger problems down the road. It's an upgrade that pays dividends in comfort, savings, and peace of mind. Final thoughts. In Anthem, where weather extremes can test the limits of any home, keeping your windows in top shape isn't just about aesthetics, it's about protecting your investment. Delaying window replacement may seem harmless in the short term, but the hidden costs can add up quickly. By upgrading your windows now, you'll enjoy a more energy-efficient, secure, and beautiful home, and avoid the unnecessary expenses that come from waiting too long.